Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ClickFunnels for high converting sales pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. In the address bar, type in the URL for ClickFunnels and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the Start Free Trial button. Click on the Start Free Trial button to proceed. You will be directed to a sign up page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password to secure your account. After filling in your details, click on the Get Started button. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from ClickFunnels. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your address. Once your email is verified, return to the ClickFunnels website. Log in using your registered email and password. Next, you will choose your plan. ClickFunnels offers various plans, so review them carefully. Select the plan that best fits your needs. After choosing a plan, click on the Next button. You will need to provide your billing information. Fill out the required fields for your payment details. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. Once completed, click on the Complete Purchase button. You will receive a confirmation message on the next screen. You can start creating high-converting sales pages immediately. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Begin with a template or create a page from scratch. Follow the on-screen prompts to build your first sales page. Utilize the resources provided to optimize your conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.